In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download and install Steam on Windows 11. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up any web browser. I'm gonna use Chrome, and then at the address bar just enter Steam and hit enter. After that, head over to Steam website, and that's where at the top right corner we can easily find Install Steam. We need to click at that button, then we'll be taken to that page where to continue we need to click at this big blue button which is called Install Steam, and it will allow you to download Steam Setup application to your computer. Just select the folder in which you would like to save it and then hit Add Save. After that, once that file is saved, you need to launch it, then hit Yes to continue, hit Next, select Preferred Language. I'm gonna keep English selected. Then select a folder for your Steam program and hit Add Install. After that, click Add Finish, and then after that it will download all the necessary files for the app to work. It can take some time, depends on your current internet connection. In my case, the file size is about 277 megabytes, and it can take about half a minute to download it with my current internet connection. As you can see, now the file is almost downloaded. Now it says updating Steam, so now all the files are being installed. We just need to wait for that process to complete, and after a while it will come up with that window where first off we need to enter our Steam username, and down below here we need to enter our password. Once it is done, click at Sign In. If you enable two-factor authentication on your account, on the next step you will be asked to enter a 5 characters code from your mobile app to identify that it's you, and after that you will be logged into your Steam account. We just need to wait until it's done, and then we'll be able to use our Steam account on the app that we have just installed. As you can see, the Steam is now working. Here's my games library, and as you can see, now I am signed into my account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.